Hello, and welcome to the Inside Job Experiment. This is a space for grounded energy work, emotional clarity, and coming back into alignment with yourself. If you're new here, my name is Rundi. I'm a Reiki master and a Scalar emulator, meaning that I use my field and my voice to help stabilize a resonance so you can remember your own coherence through it. And you may also hear light language during this session if that wants to come through. Today's session is a throat chakra and truth calibration inspired by a card I pulled this morning from my 5 Chinese Elements Oracle deck. I will leave a link to the deck in the description box below for anyone who's interested. So the water bird is the card that I pulled from this deck, and it also happens to be my Chinese Zodiac sign. So I felt like this was a clear message and a personal reminder that our words create, and they deeply impact us. Our voice shapes our identity, and our truth has a frequency. And here's the thing, speaking your truth is an inside job, because truth expresses our relationship with ourselves. Our words and thoughts reflect what we believe about ourselves. So today we're bringing awareness to our inner dialogue so your voice can be clear and honest without being harsh or complicated. This session is timeless. You can return to it at any point you feel called. If you're open to receiving Reiki energy, scalar calibration, and light codes, always for your best and highest good, say yes, either to yourself or out loud. Let's begin with an inhale through your nose all the way to the crown of your head. Hold it for a moment. And exhaling through your mouth. Continue with 2 more rounds while I connect the flow of Reiki energy. We are now connected. Let yourself settle in and just get present. Feel the weight of your body being held by the surface beneath you. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Bring one hand to your throat and one hand to your heart. Let your body, mind, and spirit know that you are fully present and listening to it. If you'd like to set your own intention for this session, you may do that now. Let it be simple. Now deeply inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Imagine your throat softening like warm water Just moving through it, making space, gently opening. The water bird knows the impact of its words because it understands that words reveal our beliefs that we hold about ourselves. And so the water bird asks, do your words reflect who you believe you are? Do you think and say kind and encouraging things to yourself? And do you sound like your own best friend or a critical, judgmental parent or caregiver? Just notice without shaming or condemning yourself. Can you hear your authentic self when you talk to others? Again, no shame if the answer is not always, because most of us learn to say what others want to hear, just to belong or to stay safe. And our throat remembers, our body remembers. So speaking your truth isn't only about other people hearing you. It's about you hearing you. Speaking your truth is an inside job. So today, we're clearing the channel so that what's true can flow through you cleanly and easily. Just notice when you speak to yourself with friends or family, do you feel expanded or contracted? Do you feel seen or judged? And if a memory comes up, like a moment when you didn't say what you meant, or you abandoned the truth just to keep the peace, let it come through to be seen by you. You are bringing light to it just by seeing it. Notice where this shows up in your body. Is it in your throat, chest? Did it tighten, contract? Now ask yourself, what are you ready for? You may set an intention if that calls to you. Maybe it's I release the habit of editing myself, or I choose to speak kind and loving words to myself. And let that land in your body. Waterbird says, when you notice negative or judgmental words or thoughts about yourself or about others, this is that inside job moment. An opportunity to pause, tune in with yourself, and ask what's underneath. Bring presence to that part of you that is judging. And ask yourself, can I see how this part of me has served me up until now? Maybe it protected you from being disappointed, or it helped you feel in control, or maybe it kept you from being rejected again. Whatever it is for you, honor it. And now, ask, can I bring love and acceptance to this part of me? There's a softness in your body. As a willingness to stop fighting yourself, or as a feeling tone or frequency. And then one more question. This one is Waterbird's medicine. Who am I becoming as this aspect of me dissolves once I stop resisting it? Let yourself feel that. Imagine a future you with fewer filters or apologies, and with more clarity and honesty. Now bring awareness again to your throat. Right here, the center of expression. Imagine it like a clear pool of water. If you ever see any murkiness, just pause, get present, and allow it to settle so it can become clear. Now deeply inhale through your nose and feel your truth rising. And as you exhale, feel your throat clearing. And now we move into the light language transmission. I just want to say, this is not about forcing yourself to say hard things. This is about restoring your inner coherence so truth can move through you cleanly. Speaking your truth is an inside job. You don't need to do anything at this time. Just receive. If emotions come up, let them move through you. If your body wants to yawn, or sigh, or breathe deeper, perfect. That's integration. Ashkana maya loitana wafamo hikatana sho yamati afapuputa tala wama yanakatoto. Hakati rakato shkati makata. Wafamo hitana yawamama makatala yana hoti shkatala. Nakato watao yaushimkatofu katayamimana nawam katao. O tipataya kotohopi dala kamo mayana watahala fomoshi yakatashasa. Ola yamuyanina no yalakato bikatato. Yofi moti shukatu. Kishamoma wami humulai. Yana fomo. Ola yakata yate shikato fomo. Just moving a lot of energy right now. Alafumoni nasenakata ayalawamoni tafu ushakatapa koto bikata mayana koto wawatapa la sikasekato kuyamati katakalakata ulatati kata uwa alakata mayata uyakatita kalapata katu kati malakata kata chikata Oshkata, Wakata yo moma yawamana, Tita Fumo, Tisakatapo, Ila Fotowe, Oshkata, Uf, Opa Mayapo, Upo, oh. Your truth is allowed and safe in your body. And as this transmission is wrapping up, and as I wrap up this transmission, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness back into your body, as I'm also grounding in the energy from this session into your field. And slowly pulling back the flow of Reiki energy, disconnecting completely. Bring your hand to your heart one more time. Feel your heart as a magnetic center, holding your truth so your voice doesn't have to strain. When your inner world is aligned, your voice becomes effortless. If you'd like to continue this work today, choose one small moment to practice speaking your truth. Could be one message, one boundary, or one kind word to yourself. And notice how it feels to come into resonance with yourself. If this session supported you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who would benefit. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Where do you most edit yourself? Is it relationships, family, work, maybe online? And what truth are you ready to speak at this time? Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next session.